What's up, online shoppers? Now, normally I don't get that excited about a shower cap, but I really like this one. Gifted to me by the brand, and I've been trying it for a week or two. I love it. If you're like me and you don't wash your hair all the time because it's pretty thin and it doesn't need the wear and tear of daily washing, I loved the idea of trying out a shower cap. This is definitely not the old school plastic shower caps that you're thinking of when I said shower cap. Directly out of the box, the first thing I noticed was that it's not that like crinkly, really plastic bag kind of feeling. This is waterproof cotton that has been treated to keep the water out and to keep your hair dry underneath. Smoother, softer, and it's more breathable too. And honestly, I think it looks kind of cute. Want to see how it looks? So let's do this. I'm gonna put my hair up first, get it out of the way. Now it's also not super tight fitting, which means I can definitely get it on my hair without squishing everything. So if I want my hair to stay well, I can just do this, get everything all covered up, and I'm good to go. Yeah, see what I mean? It's pretty cute. Now it does come in a wide variety of colors. I have it in pink, and they also sent it to me in blue. They also make some in other colors like black, so you can definitely pick a color that you like. Dual layer design. So see the pink layer? Very, very cute. Now look at this. Oh, we can turn it inside out, and then we have this adorable little print pattern just like that. You can make a fashion statement even with your shower cap. Pretty solid. It's stretchy enough to go over big hair. Like I said, I don't have big hair, but it definitely is big enough to fit larger, massive hair than I have. It doesn't trap heat, and it doesn't feel stuffy, and it doesn't make a lot of noise, like plasticky kind of noise. It definitely does muffle the sound a little bit. Now, something I never thought about doing before I got this, and then I took their little card out and read through it, they actually suggest using this for helping to keep your hair go out ready. So if you're cooking or cleaning, it's going to prevent like the oils and the splashes from cooking, the dust and everything from getting in your hair, and then when it's time to go out, you just go like this and woo, I am ready to go. It also works pretty great for putting on face masks to keep everything out of the way so that it doesn't get my hair dirty. It folds down nice and compact, so you can even travel well with it. Closer look, I appreciate the fact that this is reusable. Throw it in the wash and clean it. And I love that it has this adorable little reversible design and a lot of different colors to choose from. It's a great way to keep my hair out of the water, out of the skincare, or out of the oils from cooking. Breathable, comfortable. I really like it. So if you are looking for something that fits the bill and you need a shower cap, I would definitely check out these Years Combs. They're definitely a family favorite at my house.